And welcome back. Nandito tayo ngayon sa City Arena for Above Ground Basketball League for the Above Division Season 3 Semifinals game. Team Titos of Manila versus Team MDER. Advancing sa ating finals, Team MDER. And here we are with our player of the game, Sir Bal Foronda with 6 points, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists. Sir, first of all, congratulations on advancing sa ating finals. And syempre, congratulations sa inyo on winning as best player of the game. How was your game? Kamusta naman? Anong pakiramdam na pasok na kayo sa finals?
Ayun, masaya. Finals na naman. Salamat sa mga team ko. Tulong-tulong kami para makamit namin to.
Ayan. So, since nabanggit ko, 6 points, magtataka yung iba, bakit kayo yung best player of the game? Pero grabe, all of your team contributed kanina. Ano yung napag-usapan nyo before the game? And syempre, alam naman natin, semifinals game to. At ang kalaban nyo, Titos of Manila, mabigat yan.
Yung Titos talaga, malakas talaga yung team na yan. Napag-usapan namin, pagka pinasok, all out. Yun, on the way. Kailangan buhos yung laro. Tapos yun, man to man. Kasi mga shooter nga yung iba nilang...
Ayan lang. Final question to sir. Pasok na kayo sa finals. What do you expect sa finals? And syempre, ang mga kalaban nyo, mabigat na team. DC Gym, finals din yan. Ano may sabi niyo sa kanila?
Good luck na lang sa amin. Ayun. Sana, pagiging pa namin. Sana makamit namin.
Ayan, so our finals is already set. Sir, baka meron ko pala kayong gusto i-shoutout.
Shoutout na. Sa mga boss ng Ender, yun, tsaka sa asawa ko, kay Ann Foronda. Ayun lang. Salamat.
Again, sir, congratulations. Congratulations, Team MDER. Finals is set. See you next time. This is your Above Ground Basketball League for the Above Division Season 3. God bless and peace out.